Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Wells Fargo rewards balance detailed guide step. To restore your Wells Fargo rewards balance, begin by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the rewards section on the home page. If you have trouble finding it, use the search bar for quicker access. Once in the rewards section, look for the Restore Rewards option. Click on this option to begin the restoration process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through security questions. Answer the questions to proceed. Next, review your rewards activity for any discrepancies. Identify the rewards that need restoration and select them. Confirm your selection to initiate the restoration. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. If your account shows zero balance, check the transaction history for any recent redemptions. If you discover unauthorized rewards redemptions, contact Wells Fargo customer service immediately. They will guide you through the process of disputing those transactions. Follow their instructions carefully to ensure the restoration of your rewards. Monitor your account over the next few days to confirm the balance update. If your rewards are still not restored, repeat the steps or contact customer support again for further assistance. Stay informed about any promotions or changes to the rewards program by checking the website regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.